Now, I did this question by looking at the diagrams, assuming that they were drawn accurately, and then sort of ruling them out. We can see that these two triangles end up just meeting in the very middle, so they can't be, too short. For example, D, there's no way they're going to meet in the middle. That this length is much less than this length. So I ruled some out that way, for example, and even B I can rule out this way, and C. So it seems like it needs to be E or A because these ones are larger. Now, for the other two triangles, we can then see that they actually end up overlapping each other. So they're going to go beyond halfway. So A just doesn't, it looks like it's going to meet at halfway, whereas E is, they're larger here, which is going to end up going more than halfway here. So this gives an answer of E, which is correct. Let me now just share how the solutions did it. They took a completely different approach, focusing on just one corner of the envelope, the bottom left. So they've labeled Q, R, and T for some points, and then look at the angle QRT. Now, if we look at these angles here, because these two, the triangles end up overlapping, then it must be that together those green angles add up to more than 90. Because if it was equal to 90, they would meet perfectly here, and if it was less than 90, they wouldn't meet at all. So it's more PRQ plus SRT as angles must be more than 90. Now we have 90 degrees in the rectangle, which means that this angle we expect to be greater than 180, which is what this is. Um, that one's greater than 180, which means that QRT is going to be less than 180. So we just need to now look at all the envelopes and see where the angle is less than 180. Here it looks like it's equal to 180. Here it's more. Here it's equal. Here it's going to be slightly more, but for this one, it's less. That's an alternative method for showing why it must be E.